Hello class 8 students. How are you class? Hope you everyone fine. Okay. So students, in this class, you know very well. In the previous chapter, in the previous class, we are going to resolve some question answer. Okay, and define some 5 types of tax definitions. Now here today we just show the question answer of the exercise chapter 3rd and practice zone A session. Answer first. Okay, firstly everyone students, you have the book. You keep the book with your hand and see the first question. The first question says, how can you create table in HTML? How can you create table in HTML? You know very well, if we want to create a table, then we have to use the table tag. Okay, it is the table tag. By using, we have to create the table in our HTML document. The question is this: how you can create tables in HTML? Okay, so you have to write the answer of this question. Tables is created by using the table tag. Okay. Table is creating in HTML document by use of table tag. Okay, by use the table tag. It is a tag by which have to create a table in HTML document. Okay, and it have one more line we just added. Table is creating in HTML document by use of table tag and uses of attributes th, tr and td. Okay, uses of th, tr and td. It is your first answer. Okay, firstly everyone, you just note down this. Hold the pause the video and you must be write this definition. Table is created in HTML document by the use of table tag and uses of attributes. Okay, clear? Now you just come on the second question. What are the various properties of a table? What are the various properties of the table? You know very well, table have different types of properties, and you know very well, I taught you when in the lecture session. The important table properties are width, height, border. Okay, rather than all the some useful to us, but 3 are most important: width, height, or border. Etc. You write, then it is clear. Okay. The question is second: what are the various properties of table? I erase it. Answer number second. Okay. Table properties are given below. First properties of table, you know, the width. Okay, first properties are width. Okay, it is used to define width of cable. Second, height. Second, height. It is used to define height of. It is used to define height of table. Okay, and third, border. By this feature, by this attribute, define the border size. Define the border of a table. Is that correct? Okay. You have to write this. Everyone, write fast. Next question, students. Explain TR, TD and TS tag. It's a very useful and important question. You pause this video and write it. Okay? I will do this. Third, TR tag. Right. It is used to define the row in table. First, second, TD tag. It is used to write data in cell, in table cell. And third, TS tag. It's defined heading. It's a defined header of row and column. Okay. Hope you have understand the definitions. You have to write in your notebook and send. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.